Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall any software in Windows 11. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. For that, first of all, you need to click on the Start button and type Settings. Then open it. Now you have to click on Apps. And as you can see, all the settings related to apps have now opened. You need to click on the first option, which is Installed Apps. All the apps that are installed on your system are now showing up. For example, if I want to uninstall ChatGPT, I will click on the three dots on the side and click on Uninstall. And again, click on Uninstall. And ChatGPT has now been uninstalled. So as you saw, it was really easy. And now, even if I search about ChatGPT, it's not showing up on my system anymore. So I hope you liked this short tutorial and that it was helpful to you. If you liked it, then please subscribe to your virtual Comrade and also click the like button. And if you want a video on a specific topic, then do let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.